Hello students. In last class we discussed about the income method, clear, or in last class we also discussed about the product method. The last method of calculating national income is expenditure method, clear. When in this method we just calculate the expenditure of all the units, like there are sectors, clear. So, they are sector of consumption expenditure like government expenditure, investment expenditure or export expenditure. So, we just add on the all expenditures, clear. In first product method we just count, we just add the production units, clear. We just add the production of goods and services in the year, like we just add on like GDP. So, in the first we are on GDP-MP as by the product method we receive GDP-MP and now we convert it into NNP-FC or national income. Same as it is in the income method we receive NDP-FC and we convert it into NNP-FC. Okay. By this we receive again GDP-MP, clear, then we have to convert it into national income. So, without wasting time we are just on formula first of all, after then we just with notes, we just move with notes. So, there are four kind of expenditure. First of all, private, final, we just always take the final word because we do not consider the intermediate consumption, okay. So, private final, consumption expenditure, plus government, this is our household sector, clear. We discussed already about the four sector in the circular flow. So, now we are on government. So, government final expenditure, investment, and last one net exports. We also use the X minus M, that is export minus import. So, by this we receive GDP-MP. Here one more thing is add, that is gross domestic capital formation. So, what is this? We like investment, clear. So, we receive GDP-MP, as simple, clear. The formula is always simple, but the application is like slightly difficult, okay. So, we just move on with our notes. What is the expenditure method? It is the total sum of expenditures on the purchase of final goods and services. I already told you about the three methods, that is product. The first stage, जब product बना है तभी आप उसे calculate कर लें. तो first stage is product method. If product is sold out, then calculate the income from sold out. If there is problem to calculate income, then the person who expends, because the one person is expense, the other person income, become the other person's income. So, here the three methods. So, we are on third method and third step also, third stage also. So, it is the sum total of expenditure on the purchase of final goods and services produced during an accounting year within an economy is estimated to obtain, to obtain the value of domestic income. Again here is domestic income, and we receive GDP-MP. Why MP? Because when we expense something, when we spend some amount, so we are paid with inclusive of all taxes, clear. or what is the difference between FC and MP? There is a taxes and subsidies. So when we spend some amount to purchase something, then we pay with all inclusive of all taxes. So here we receive the MP amount. Clear? It is the expenditure on the purchase of final goods and services during an accounting year. It is broadly classified into 4 categories. First one is private final consumption expenditure, government final consumption expenditure, investment expenditure, or we can say gross domestic capital formation. Please understood this word carefully, because if the examiner is so liberal, which is in your mind, which is in your dreams, so he gives the investment expenditure word, but mostly he gives the gross domestic capital formation. What is this gross domestic capital formation? When we purchase capital assets, capital expenditure like land, assets, plant, machinery, etc. So these are the capital formation, investment. Clear? If the word is gross, if the word is net, then we receive NDP-MP. This is very simple method. There are 4 steps. Clear? First one is private final consumption expenditure, which is as it is give to you in your question. Okay, add kar dena bas. Government final consumption expenditure. Next one is investment expenditure, and third one is export minus import. Clear? So the third one, which is investment expenditure. So sometimes the word is investment expenditure is not given, and the word is gross domestic capital formation is given. So you just add. Clear? But if gross domestic capital formation is given in net domestic capital formation, then we receive NDP-MP. Clear? Okay, again. If in the question gross domestic capital formation is in the question, clear? Then we just add. Clear? But if in place of gross domestic capital formation there is a word of net domestic capital formation, then we receive NDP-MP, because there is a G and N difference. और depreciation किस पर charge होता है? Capital assets पर. So this is the investment expenditure. So if there is a net domestic, then they already adjust the depreciation. So clearly set the mind that what the examiner asked to you. Clear? If in the question he asks about the GDP, clear? GDP-MP, and here the net domestic capital formation is given, then you have to add depreciation. But if in question examiner is asked about the net domestic capital formation, that NDP-MP, then if GDP-MP is given, then you have to deduct. If there is no GDP-MP, there is only net domestic capital formation, then you have to as it is use it. Clear? We just try this in the when we solve out the questions also. And last one, net exports. How we receive net exports? X minus M, that is export minus import. Is it clear? Okay. So there is consumption expenditure includes household. In short, we can write the formula like this: NI or GDP-MP is equals to C, that is private final consumption expenditure, government final consumption expenditure, investment expenditure plus X minus M. We just write out this formula also. Okay. So consumption expenditure includes household consumption. Okay. I also told you about the 4 sector, and the one sector is household, the other sector is government. Then the other sector is producer, which is made investment expenditure. There are 4 sectors. First one is household sector, which we discuss in our first class of macroeconomics. Second sector is producer sector. Third sector is government sector. Fourth sector is foreign sector. So for this, there are 4 sectors to spend money. These are the 4 sectors who are involved in expenditure activities. So first one, for household we use C, for government we use G, for producer we use I, and for foreign sector we use X minus M. Clear? It also includes government expenditure on goods and services to fulfill social welfare needs. Investment expenditure refers to the expenditure made by the companies and production units for raising capital, that is represent I. For instance, investment expenditure includes the purchase of fixed capital asset such as buildings and equipments expenditure, and the expenditure also include in addition to the stock of raw material. But here we just use the gross domestic capital formation, and here we consider the investment expenditure because the depreciation is charged on capital assets. Clear? So we have to clear in our mind then what we have to given in the question, like sometimes it given gross domestic capital formation, sometimes it gives net domestic capital formation. So clearly understood what the question is asked to you. Expenditure also includes imports and exports made by the companies, that is net exports, NX. Okay. So without wasting time, we just move on to our formula. Here, computation of national income by expenditure method. By this method we receive GDP MP. Here we are. By this method we receive GDP MP, that is private final consumption expenditure, government final consumption expenditure, gross domestic capital formation plus net export. Clear? How we calculate gross domestic capital formation? So if gross domestic fixed capital is given, gross domestic fixed capital plus change in stock. Excuse me. Clear? Sometimes it given in net also. We already discussed it. By this we receive GDP MP, and how we convert into national income. So GDP MP minus depreciation plus NFIA minus net indirect taxes. This is the work which we already clearly understood about how to convert gross to net and domestic to national, FC to MP. Precautions, we just only final expenditure, intermediate expenditures are not taken into account while calculating national income by the expenditure method, because it is create the problem of double counting. So we just take it only final expenditure. Next one, expenditure on second hand goods, also it is just a copy paste in 3 methods also. Here transfer payment is not included because it is not productive. Imputed value is included, but self consumption should not be included. Okay. Self consumption services like housewife services etc. are not considered. Expenditure on shares and bond is not to be included in total expenditure. Clear? This is this is what we study in the product method, study in the income method also. So this is the, just you have to precautions one time, this the thing which is you just understand one time, and this will help you in all the three methods. This is your question. So first of all, here we have to calculate national income. And what is national income? What is mean by national income? So national income means to say NNPFC, and by the method of expenditure we receive GDPMP. So we start with the government final expenditure 100, add नेट करंट ट्रांसफर टू अब्रॉड हम इसको नहीं यूज करते, क्लियर. ग्रॉस डोमेस्टिक फिक्स कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन, ओके. जस्ट we just move on with this step by step. C plus I plus G first of all. So we just take it G, C, that is 500. Okay. Net imports दे रखे हैं आपको and this one is minus. Okay. नेट इम्पोर्ट्स दे रखे हैं, दैट मीन्स आपने एक्सपोर्ट कम किए हैं और इम्पोर्ट्स आपके ज़्यादा हो चुके हैं, क्लियर. डेप्रिसिएशन, फैक्टर इनकम एंड नेट कैपिटल ट्रांसफर टू अब्रॉड. फैक्टर इनकम टू अब्रॉड तो हम इसका भी कुछ नहीं करेंगे, क्लियर. सो हियर गवर्नमेंट फाइनल का प्राइवेट फाइनल कंजप्शन एक्सपेंडिचर हो गया, गवर्नमेंट फाइनल कंजप्शन एक्सपेंडिचर हो गया. ग्रॉस डोमेस्टिक कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन plus gross domestic capital formation. Here the word is fixed capital formation. So we have to add change in stock here. So net change in stock is add 50. So we just add 250 also. C हो गया, C plus I हो गया, G हो गया और net imports minus 40. Okay. So 0, 5, 2 and 5, 7 and 8 minus 40, that is 0, 5 minus 4, 1 and 8. 8, 10 is your GDP MP. Clear. Now here is GDP MP and we have to calculate NNP FC. So for G to N, that is we add to we less depreciation. So here is our depreciation minus 70. Here is 740, clear. Then we are add to factor income from abroad. So where is factor income from abroad? There is net current transfer to abroad. The word is current transfer and we don't use this word. And again there is net capital transfer to abroad. So छेड़ना ही नहीं है, that is net factor income to abroad. Here is given in minus and already it is minus, so it is add. Now the FC to MP, MP to FC. So MP to FC, where is taxes? There is 120. So net indirect taxes, if we move from FC to MP, then we add net indirect taxes. But here we move MP to FC, that means market price to factor cost. So we just less 120. 0, 5 minus 2, 3 and 7 minus 1, that is 6. The answer is 630. We just use step by step, but here the answer is given in the flow. So you just follow this, like we add C plus I plus G plus gross domestic capital formation. So if there is no fixed word, so we just take as it is, but here is fixed capital formation. Clear? Gross domestic capital formation. So we just add 50 also, that is change in stock. Clear? Okay. So C plus I plus G plus N minus X. Net imports. So minus 40. Okay. The answer is 630. Hope you understand. Clear? This one is, if you can't see, I just write the word that this is closing stock. This is closing stock. Okay, this is depreciation. This is private final, this is C. This is exports, opening stock, government final consumption expenditure, imports, net domestic fixed capital formation. Okay, so net domestic fixed capital formation, how we calculate, plus change in stock. Clear? Okay. Here again net current transfer to abroad. Current transfer to abroad छेड़ना ही नहीं है. Clear? Factor income to abroad, that is 30, that means minus. So we have to calculate NNP MP. We just move with the step by step. So our formula is said that about C plus I plus G plus X minus M. So C, private final consumption expenditure 600 plus investment. So investment is net domestic capital formation 80 plus change in stock. And how we calculate change in stock? So change in stock, that means closing stock minus opening stock. So closing stock is 10 and opening stock is 20. The answer is minus 10. So we have to deduct. There is minus 10 and net domestic fixed capital formation is 80. So we are on 70. We have to add 70, that is 670 for I. For G, government final consumption expenditure, just add 077. Okay. For X minus M, import दे रखे आपको, export दे रखे हैं. तो X minus M, that is X minus M, 50 minus 60, again minus 10, that is 760. So we are on NDP MP. Why we are on NDP MP? Because here the net word is given. If there is a gross word is given, then we receive GDP MP. But here we receive NDP MP. Now net factor income to abroad minus 30. The answer is 730. We just follow the formula, that is C. Clear? So C, that means consumption expenditure, here is 600. Okay. Then I, for I, the formula of I, that means gross domestic capital formation. If there is a capital formation word, gross domestic capital formation, then we don't adjust the closing stock and opening stock. But here the word is fixed capital formation. So here fixed capital, gross domestic fixed consumption expenditure, fixed capital formation. So we just add change in stock, and for change in stock we just minus closing stock minus opening stock. Here A, I. Here is I. Please listen carefully. Okay. So if there is a word gross domestic fixed capital formation plus change in stock, then you receive I. Otherwise this one is C, this one is G, this one is I, but you have to need to carefully read the question that gross domestic fixed capital formation. If there is no fixed word, then we just use gross domestic capital formation. Then we don't give the adjustment of this. If there is a word of fixed capital formation, then we have to give the adjustment of change in stock. Clear? Clear? 7:30 answer. The next question is find out the GNP-MP. Very easy, because by the expenditure method we receive GDP-MP, and here the question is asked about GNP-MP. So we just give the adjustment of 1 of NFIA. Clear? So we are on our question like C plus I plus G plus X minus M. So where is C? C is this. So 1000, there is C. Then I, for I there is a net domestic fixed capital formation. So if there is a word is fixed capital formation, then we have to give adjustment of change in stock, or we have to add change in stock in this. Clear? So for I, net domestic fixed capital formation 110 plus change in stock. So changing in stock, change in stock is closing stock is this, opening stock is this. So closing stock, change in stock minus closing stock minus opening stock, there is only 20. So there is 0. So here we add. So this is I. Okay. After then. So now we C plus I plus G. Now G. So what is G? Government final consumption expenditure 300 0 1 4 1. Okay. Now X minus M. तो नेट एक्सपोर्ट्स दे रखे हैं आपको 15, प्लस में है तो प्लस ही करेंगे 15, दैट इज X माइनस M. 5 2 4 1. Clear? This we receive NDP-MP. Why N? Because here give net domestic capital formation. If here is given gross domestic capital formation, then we receive gross, but here is net. So we have to give the adjustment of depreciation also. So here is depreciation. So we add, because we need GNP-MP. So we add 100. So here is 5 2 5 1. Now this is GDP-MP. So factor income from abroad कहाँ है भाई? So factor income is here. 2 abroad and minus, और माइनस में दे रखा है तो प्लस हो जाएगा. That means plus 10, because minus minus plus 5 3 5. The answer is 1535. If you start the question with the formula like C plus I plus G plus X minus M, then you receive GDP-MP. Clear? Try to make easy your answer. Clear? Don't complex that. First you see that consumption expenditure, so as it is you did this, then you depreciation, then you give the adjustment of depreciation. Don't do this. You just follow the procedure, the step by step. So this make this how you make the question easy. Clear? So there is one more question again, and this one is your last question. Calculate gross domestic product at factor cost, GDP at FC. We have to calculate GDP at FC, and by the method we receive GDP-MP. Okay? So first of all, again same thing, C plus I plus G plus x minus m. So first of all C there is 500. So 500 for I. If there is an investment expenditure, then very good, or if there is no expenditure, so this one is I want to trying to say, that is here is gross domestic capital formation. So we don't need to give adjustment of change in stock. Understood? Here if the word is gross domestic fixed capital formation, if there is a word is gross domestic fixed capital formation, then we need to give the adjustment of change in stock. But if there is a directly gross domestic capital formation, then we just add at it as it is. So 160. So this one is C plus I 0 6 6. Now we have to add G. So government final consumption expenditure is 100 760. Now we have to add x minus m. Where is export minus import? Export imports. Net imports minus 20. So there is 740. This is your GDP MP. Now the question is asked about the GDP FC. So we give the taxes effect. So net and direct taxes is 130, and for FC to MP, for FC to MP we just add taxes, clear, but for MP to FC we just less taxes. So minus 130, the answer is 610. Clear? Okay. First of all, expenditure method. So in this expenditure method, we receive GDP MP. Okay. So first of all we have to add private final consumption expenditure, then we have to add government final consumption expenditure, then we have to add investment expenditure. If I use the word investment expenditure, here I use the word gross domestic capital formation. Okay, I use the word gross domestic capital formation. Clear? Next, plus x minus m, that is net exports. Here we receive GDP MP. Again, for gross domestic capital formation, how we calculate this? So gross domestic fixed, the word is fixed. If the word is fixed is given, then you need to give the adjustment of change in stock. Gross domestic fixed capital formation plus change in stock. So this is how we calculate the gross domestic capital formation. Clear? In the next class there is a lots of concept also. And what are the concepts? The concepts are like GNDI, NNDI, private income, disposable income. Clear? So in the next class we discuss are the rest of the topics of national income, and in the last class we also discuss, we also calculate the income method, national income by the product method, income method and expenditure method. We just take it more examples to clear your all doubts. So, we will meet in our next class. Thank you.